In this video, I'll be going over how to convert percents to decimals and decimals to percents. When you're converting percents to decimals, you want to divide the number by 100. Whereas decimals to percents, we want to multiply by 100. So from here, you can see the orange section is for percents to decimals, and green section is for decimals to percents. So the first example we have, we're converting 60% to decimal. So percent means every 100. So 60 divided by 100 equals 0.60. Another way that you can go about it is you could take the 60 and move 2 decimal spaces to the left and then place that 0. So either way, the answer will come out to 0.60. Now what about 122%? Although it's over 100%, we would write it the same way. 122 over 100. And that equals to 1.22. And if you try it by moving the decimal space 2 spaces to the left, you will have 1.22. So either way, you will have the same answer. Now for the second section, we're converting decimals to percents. And for these, we have to multiply by 100 to get to the percent. So for the third example, 0.65. What we want to do is take 0.65 times 100. And that equals 65. So that will be 65%. The other method is to take the decimal and move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right. And we'll end up with 65 as well. So either way, the answer is 65%. Now for the fourth example, 2.35. 2.35 multiplied by 100 equals 235. And using the other method, moving 2 decimal spaces to the right, we will also have 235. So the answer is 235%. So these are examples of how you would convert percents to decimals and decimals to percents. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.